Hello, it's me again. Let's see what's the power of a paperclip to save you $1,000 or more on automotive repair. Let's find out. 3 years or 4 years ago, I was my way to a motor beach from Tennessee, and Quenny's Dodge Caravan, it got overheating, it got hot, and we didn't know what to do. We thought we was broke down, and the bill's gonna be over $1,000 because if we mess up the engine or the head, we will blow it. And plus, to bring the van back to Tennessee, it will be a lot of money. See your temperature gauge going up. Right now it's not going up. This is just an example. This car is actually working. So if that gauge goes over in the middle over there, like towards the edge, then you're in trouble. We need to stop and do this. In this case, I got two paper clip. You can use paper clip or any earring or whatever pin you got to do this one step. So after you open it up, especially on a Dodge Caravan and Nissan Sentra, they have only 2 cables on the cooling temperature sensor. Unlike on the Hyundai and Toyota RAV4, they got 3 cables. So this is what happens if you unblock the temperature sensor. As of right now, the fan is not working. So what are you going to do to keep it working? There you go. And now let's see if it comes on. It's coming on. So plug it back up. There you go. The reason this is a 3-prong or 3 cable, it's one to the fan and one to the gauge inside. So like I say, especially on the Dodge Caravan and on Nissans, they got these 2 wiring over there. So you pull this out. So in this case, if your gauge going up and because you most of the time because your temperature sensor is not working, and hopefully your cable is okay. So in this case, you bend your paper clip in even length. So now you can put this in here. That means it will directly connect the power straight to the fan. Just like this, like that. Because only 2 cables, so it's one from the power source, and then when the sensor it detects the heat, it will open up and then send it back to the fan. So this case is how you do it, and this it will save you thousands of dollars, even more, because if you broke down on road, you will mess up your head gasket or you blow your head, and plus bring your car back to your house or dealer or whatever it costs you to do it. So if this happened to your 3D pin wiring, just find out which one is the for fan. One of those for fan, one of those for the gauge inside. So find out in order to just to keep your fan working on other car. If it's 3 cable, so that I saved $1,000 at that time. So you can use it to take your broken old lipstick to save you $200 or $400, just like that. Let's just say you think it's broken like mine. Stick it in there, and make sure you have this one like this, because it's very deep down there, and then you get it. Hopefully you can see it now. Kind of hard to aim, I can see it. Okay, here you go. You haven't seen it. Okay, here you go. And that's another way to save you money with the paper clip, just by using stuff like this. And you can save money on many more ways to use this one to become very handy. So I hope you like this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And God bless. Bye for now.